I'm Lindsay Jackson, Artistry and Training Lead at Artis. I'm going to show you a few of the many ways to use the Artis palm brush. The palm brush is one of the largest, most dense Artis brushes, and unlike most Artis brushes that have handles, the palm brush has a unique finger grip that lets you comfortably hold the brush in the palm of your hand. It's an amazing brush for distributing any products to the face or body. I love keeping my palm brush with me in my beach bag to use with my sunscreen or by my vanity to apply my makeup in the morning. Artis brushes work with any formula, whether using liquids, powders, or creams, and applies and blends makeup beautifully to any skin type. Here are some of my favorite ways to use the palm brush. I love using the palm brush with my sunscreen when I'm at the beach. Swipe your sunscreen lotion onto your legs or other parts of the body and gently glide the palm brush up and down the legs, back and forth, and in circular motions to blend. The Artis CosmeFibre bundles are so densely packed, and each fiber tapers to a microscopic tip, so you need a very light pressure and a gentle application, which allows your product to absorb into the skin more efficiently without changing the texture. When using a stick foundation, swipe the stick across the areas of the face where you want to build coverage. Then, using your palm brush, gently glide the brush around the face in soft, circular motions. Holding the palm brush using the finger grip, gently swipe your brush across your favorite highlighting powder and delicately glide across the tops of the cheekbones and down the bridge of the nose for an effortless, lit from within glow. With Artis, experience better beauty by design.